Our brain is so powerful, it's capable of simulating multiple other people in their entirety in dreams.
A lot of us don't buy lottery tickets to win the lottery but for the opportunity to spend a few minutes fantasizing about winning the lottery.
Men don't decide whether or not to grow a beard. They decide how often to shave it off.
There's a good chance you've heard your favorite song more often than the artist who wrote it has.
There is an inverse relationship between the price of a restaurant and the amount of condiments on the table.
Trying to fall asleep is the ultimate example of fake it until you make it.
The most watched part of a video on the big video sites is the button that counts down to skip the ads.
Barbed wire license plate holders are tramp stamps for cars.
You will always have at least one piece of dirty laundry.
The sun is a space heater.
There are tons of artificial sweeteners, but no artificial salteners.
Granola is kinda like kibble for humans.
Each person really only gets one hill to die on.
Silence has become a luxury product.
Photos are mostly a visual file locator for our memories.
It's odd that it's normal to put your lips on a can that's been handled by so many people and has been in so many different environments.
We drink out of soda cans without having any idea what gross things might be at the bottom of them.
Doom and Diablo take place in the same universe thousands of years apart.
Breakfast cereal is pet food for kids.
Now for a quick break, stay tuned for more shower thoughts. Red is the color that stands for both love and hate.
With the overweight rate increasing each year, airlines will need to increase the average human weight estimates or risk being overweight.
Loads of quality items also last longer because people take way better care of them because they were expensive.
There is a word that you haven't said yet.
A grave is our last piece of real estate.
Monsters are scarier when they're human.
It's weird that chainsaws are associated more with murder than with industrial use.
I'm Bob Jeffy.
And I'm Lorelei Stewart. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more shower thoughts. Bye for now.
This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.